Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Instagram profile. So it is like you turn your profile into private, where only your followers can see your profile, and only those who follow you need your permission to see your profile. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and you just need to open your Instagram and then click on your profile icon at the bottom and click on the three lines icon at the top, and here select on settings and scroll down and click on privacy, and here is the private icon settings. You can just click on the circle right here, and then so this private account, so only your followers will be able to see your photo and video, and this won't change who can tag or mention or message you. So you can just click on switch to private to lock your Instagram profile. Okay, so now if there is someone who follow you, they need your permission, uh, or you need to allow them to follow you. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can lock your Instagram profile. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click a like and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.